Hello friends, Tony here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about Deno. So it's a runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript. So as you can see, it's created by some of these developers of Node.js. So it's from the creators of Node.js itself. So it's a secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript. So what you can do, you'll just check Deno's GitHub repo. So you can see it's an open source. So you can see the Ryan. So these the same guys those who developed Node.js. So it's open source. So as you can see here, it's developed using a Rust language and V8 engine. So it's a secure runtime, and it has like out of the box support for TypeScript. So this is the sample project path. So deno.land.std. You can see that they have like a very good documentation of the steps like you need to follow to set up Deno in your different operating systems. So I'm using a Windows machine. So there is an option like you can run the PowerShell script to install Deno in your PC. So I'll install Deno using that script. So it is going to fetch that script and install Deno in your PC. So there are like if you have different OS, so there are different ways you can install it. So if you have Chocolatey or a Scoop, so that's the two things you can use to install in Windows. Two other things, and if you have Mac, you can use Brew. So that's the way. So they provided steps to install in all the different operating systems. So the current version is like 1.0.2, I guess. So the one which I am going to install. So let's see, let it complete the installation. So after that we will see like what and all the basic things. Even it's a very new framework, so like everyone else, I'm also very new to this one. So I'm just try the basic things here. So what and all the features we can see here. So we can do a minimal comparison with Node.js as well, how the syntax differs. So anyway, we'll just wait for the installations to complete. Okay, so it looks like it took around 1 minute to download and install all the files. The installation has completed. So let me type Deno. So as you can see, the 1.0.2. So that's the Deno version which we installed. So what I'm going to do is so I need to create a folder. So let me go back to specific path. So where I want to create a folder. So once I go to that, change that to personal, I'll make a directory named Deno. So I can manually do this thing. So I'll just created the folder. Now I'll open that folder in my Visual Studio Code editor. So once I open the folder in my code editor, so what I'll do I'll create a new file. So I'll create a new file and I'll name that file welcome. So welcome.ts. So and I'll just plain console log hello world. So let's see how it's run using Deno command. Console log hello world welcome. It's in welcome.ts file. So let's see, we will run. The run command is like Deno run file name. So I'll give Deno run welcome.ts. Yep, it's compiled and it printed hello world. So we'll check the documentation. So another way, you can just run the same file using the cloud which is hosted available in their sample repo. So that's another way to run. So we'll try that as well. Yep, welcome to Deno. So you can observe that dinosaur symbol. So I think Deno means shortened to dinosaur or something like that. So let's see. So I'll create a server.ts. So we'll try something how we can create a server using Deno. So here we are importing it from that particular path. So here we don't have any package manager. So this is how you do it in Node. in package manager you will be importing it, but here it is different. So here you need to just import it. There a node you will be creating server. So here it will be like serve and you will mention the port. So there will be creating server and you will be listening to port in node. So here you will be just serving and it's asynchronous. So you are just passing in response body hello world. Okay, so yeah, so the importing section is different. Here we don't have any package manager or anything like that. So I'll just run Deno run that particular file server.ts. Okay, we got some error, so we need to append allow net flag before the server.ts file. So let me include that as well. Okay, I added that. Okay, so let me run. Yeah, yep, it's the URL is ready. It's serving our application in that particular address. So it's created a server and it's hosted the launched the application. So in case if that doesn't work, in some of the case you can give after the no allow net the file, then you give the localhost 80800. This also will work. Some case if you won't give that particular specify the path, it won't work. I observed it earlier. So I think that's all the basic things what we have. So we don't know how Deno is going to perform the market. So anyway, it's from the same developers, so all people are looking forward to it, and which and all frameworks are going to adapt this Deno.